Hey guys, it's me and Rose back with another unboxing video. And make sure to check out all other unboxing videos. We've got a new unboxing video coming soon. Make sure to check that out.
Yeah.
I'm going to be posting in like a week because it's going to come then. And I'm not going to tell you what it is. Be sure to check that out.
Birthday?
Yeah.
It's his birthday in like a couple of days.
Weeks. 1 week. And then today we're going to be unboxing the purple PDP Xbox One wired controller. It's very nice. It's like a full-on control hub for PDP, and we're gonna show you the controller. I've already unboxed it earlier, like an hour ago.
Yeah.
This is it. It's so nice. Like the grips. Like this is a wired controller. Be aware. And this is what normal wired controllers look like. Like just have a look at them. Sorry. Look, this is what they look like. They have that flat edge. But this one doesn't really have that flat edge. It just looks like normal to me.
And all the buttons
because
are just
look,
normal.
Guys,
do
you see this right here? There's like all that black area. Yeah. You don't have this on this because this is just straight.
Instead of that controller, this one's got a mute button.
Yeah, this one's actually got a mute button because as you see, you double click this. This thing glows up. You might not see that, but it glows up, and then you double tap it, and then it goes. That's like the mute button. And
if you
I got this in. You may. Yeah, never mind.
Sorry, guys.
I got this in royal purple colour. And yeah. Okay, guys, we're back. We just had to take our stupid beat out, but it already got out.
Stupid, just weird.
Yeah, and I plugged it into my Xbox, and on the Xbox you have like 3 USBs on the back, no, 2 USBs on the back, 1 USB here, on like the top, and these grips, these look very nice. You got the third-party D-pad. It says PDP.
You got it today, so
I got it today, and
it's brand new, so it's all clean.
It smells really nice, guys. That may sound weird, but it just smells like, you know, that new packaging smell. It smells very nice. And this controller, we don't know whether to do a giveaway on it or give it to my sister. Probably we might do a giveaway or give it to my sister.
I think a giveaway, but it might be a little bit rough and disconnecting a little bit.
Yeah,
if you
I'm not
need
sure
it,
if you want it, guys, because if you play Fortnite, then
I don't play so
you
guys can have it. Let's do a giveaway.
If you move it like this doesn't disconnect, but this does, because I smashed it against the wall.
Yeah, I did that in Guitar Hero when I was playing with Jack and with it.
Okay.
He will only let me smash buttons on that one, not the new one.
One sec, guys.
Yeah.
There we go. Anyway, so if you guys enjoyed this video, and one thing, intro, we tried again and it's bugging our voice out. We need a new editing app. Yeah, so we're gonna get a new editing app.
Yeah.
And add me on Xbox. My name is J99JS.
And my name on Roblox. If you want to play Adopt Me or any game.
She's got a sick pet. She's got 4 flyballs.
I'll accept your name. I'll accept everybody's
I'll put her name in the description below.
Yeah. Or do you want me to say
No, I'll just put the name in the description below, and I'll put my Xbox name. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a like if you enjoyed this video.
Subscribe and ring the notification.
Yep, you heard it, guys. And this is one last look at the controller. Bye, guys.
Bye.